Well, he jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and calm.
How you doing? It's John Lucarelli. It's Wandering Willy the Wonderbus, and my wife and I have been in it for a little over a year. It was a year in October. We're still under construction, but plugging away as best we can.
Yeah, cool.
So why don't you come on in, take a look.
I'll follow you.
More visitors.
Do you want the door shut behind me, or? Oh. I missed the step.
That's all right. As you can see, we're still under construction. Not 100% done, but done enough to live in it. This is my wife, Julie.
Hi there.
Hi.
Welcome to Willy.
So, like I said, a little over a year of construction and more projects to get done.
Yeah.
Feel free, walk through.
Oh, no, take me through.
All right, now, kitchen.
Full-size stove.
All right.
Full-size refrigerator.
These are things I want.
Bathroom, shower. Shower's not done, but
Yeah.
it works. Queen size bed, and storage garage in the back.
Cool. Yeah, nice shelves and.
Yeah, and this is my old desk. We reparted it out. The ceiling was actually our fence at the old house, and the Mother Nature took it down. So we decided, well, let's use it. We planed it down and
Sure.
made ceiling out of it.
That works. I like the baskets for the spice rack.
Good old Amazon.
Yeah. Yep. I'm always. Well, that's the fun thing with the tours is I get to see somebody came up with that, so many different ideas. The second Groot I've seen in 2 buses.
Yep. Actually, Jim made that for us.
So now I need a 3D printer.
Yeah.
Just to make Groots.
Just to make
Jim's got a
Groots
lot of
and
nice
everything
toys.
else. He has an Iron Giant too, so.
I know, we were just talking about that. So yeah, his tour will be up a week before yours.
Okay.
And when I saw the name on the bus, I went, where is he? Where's the Giant?
Where's the Giant? Yeah,
Where's the Giant?
Giant's in storage.
He's resting. So
Giant is in need of repair.
right, now, if anybody wanted to get a hold of you, do you have any social media or anything
No,
like
just
that?
basically on Skoolie Nation.
Okay.
Other than that, no Instagram or
Palooza we're
any
on.
of that. No, the Skoolie Palooza site too. But,
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
but
Well,
that's about it.
Thanks for the tour, and next time we cross paths, we'll do an update.
And we'll be painted by then.
Yeah. That's sometimes the last. I actually did mine in November in Western New York, and it didn't dry. It didn't cure. In the spring, I could put my thumbnail into it.
All right.
It cured
Eventually.
by that summer. But,
Yeah. So that's what we're down to on the inside here. Is a lot of the finishes and
yeah.
still deciding what we're doing with this area and here.
Right.
So
All right. Well, thank you.
no problem. Thanks for coming in.